This is our brand new 2025 Toyota Starlet, full of promise and ready to write the next chapter in our lives. But before we get to that, let us take you back to where it all began. Our very first car, affectionately named Hurbey, a little trooper with a lot of character and a temperamental engine. It all started with an overheating fault that we could never get to the bottom of. We took Hurbey to Fort Clermont. They helped us fix the radiator fan, but it only worked when we switched on the AC, which seems strange, right? That visit also uncovered a list of issues that would cost us over 40,000 rand to fix. It was heartbreaking, but we knew we had to make a decision. So instead of fixing him, we sold Hurbey and put that 40,000 rand towards our next ride. It was time to meet Turbo. Our 2011 Pearl Blue Motion, a beautiful little machine, fuel efficient, reliable and full of memories, birthdays, road trips and anniversary. But over the years, Turbo started struggling. A loss of power that just couldn't go away. Volkswagen diagnosed a fuel pressure issue. We replaced the fuel pressure regulator valve, the filter and the rear filter, even the fuel pump inside the tank. But still nothing. The last option was the high pressure fuel pump and the injectors, and just diagnosing those came with a hefty price tag. To us, Turbo is more than just a car. It is part of our little family. My dad even spent part of his final days in that car before he passed away. That is why we held on, and that is why we tried so hard. But sometimes letting go isn't giving up. It's making space for something new, something better. Which brings us here.
Guys. Yeah. What are we about to do?
Bangka.
Bangka.
Boom.
Boom boom. We've been looking for a car.
Decided to get a new one. How do you feel?
Like unreal until we touch it.
Yeah. New car.
The secret we be keeping. We got a new baby. We got a new baby.
What are we calling it?
Can call it Starlet. Yeah, he's not taking the whole thing off. Get it? Doesn't it feel real?
A new beginning, a new ride. Meet the newest member of our family, the 2025 Toyota Starlet. Sleek, safe, fuel efficient, and honestly, just such a vibe. We are already imagining all the memories we'll make with it. A new journey begins, new places to go, new memories to make. This isn't just a car, it's our future on wheels. Thanks so much for coming along on our journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our future adventures.
Yeah.